is like the best day ever. There's nobody on this car on the train. It's fucking great. Woo! Nobody's here. Like say, oh, it's full of. There's nobody here. It's like the first time I've gone on the train. Nobody's here. Woo! I'm having so much fun until everybody gets on the train. Then I gotta go sit down, and I'm gonna pause it, and then do when I'm sitting down. Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm having fun. Oh shit! Oh. I'm gonna jump over that. Oh no! Fuck it! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. Yo! The poles are in my way! Oh shit! Oh, Utica! Hope I'm gonna get to this train again. Hold up, guys. Give me a second. Well, guys, there's people on the train. See? Give me a second, guys. See the guy right there? There's a guy like over there, you see sneakers. See that sneakers. Well, that ends it there. It was just a little bit of fun. I was thinking before, like, I made the video, but I'm pretty fun. Hope you like, guys. Later.